All right. You can't see me, but I'm sitting in an Escalade. I've never actually been in an Escalade in the front seat. I've been in an Escalade a couple of times in the trunk, but I've never been. It's my driver. What's your name, bro?
Hello, my name is Derek. It's nice to meet you. Me and my guy Robert, hey, we're having a good time. We're going downtown on Broadway. He's gonna look at some hot chicks, but we're gonna rock some classic rock, okay? Because we're classic rock guys and we love fucking classic rock.
That's right. Anyway, man, I'm here in Nashville, and I'm taking a break from my musical endeavors to go downtown. And if you can see me, let's see. Can I get some lighting on my face? I'm going downtown, and we're gonna go take a walk up and down Broadway. And I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going someplace, and this is going to be a lot of fun. I think that some of my friends are going to be hanging out in this one place. Is there a place down there called Coyote Ugly?
Yes, it's on 2nd Avenue, Coyote Ugly, yes.
Okay, I might find them down there, but anyway, I'm a little bit lubed up right now. I'm going down and I'm sitting here styling and profiling. I'm having a good time, and so far, I mean, I'm in the worst hotel in the entire damn world. You know what I'm saying? I'm out there in the hood. I mean, this is like the hood. You know, like the
literally
hood.
trendy lane.
Oh my God. Some girl just walked up to me and asked me if I wanted a BJ for $10, and when I said no, she said, "How about for $5?" No bullshit. No shit, dude.
Well, you should take a session and let her lick your balls.
Dude.
$5.
No.
Blowjob for $5? I would literally give a blowjob for $5.
No.
You don't cost that buzzer plus shares, and she got a good blowjob. Hey, I would like it for $5. Hey.
Damn, anyway, if you need a great taxi service, cab ride, whatever you need, you call my main man here. Matter of fact, let me give you his number, YouTube. I swear to God. Can I give him your number?
Oh, of course, yes.
I'll give it. I got your card.
Yes.
Where's the card? Right here. And what's your number? Just tell me your number.
Area code 615.
That's right.
573.
That's right.
4455. Okay.
That's
I get
right.
it. I know it's coming on YouTube, but reality is that, okay, we are men. For any women who are looking at this, we are men.
That's right.
And honestly, men love blowjobs.
That's right.
It's like women love, okay, let me stock the expletives, okay?
That's right.
I'm going to stock the expletives.
That's right.
Okay, but men, we love when they take his coat.
That's
plus
right.
you women too also too. So
that's right.
Cannot deny that fact.
That's right.
But, okay, my name is Derek, Luxury Cab on Demand.
That's right.
We ride in luxury style.
That's right.
The same price for taxi cab.
That's right.
So that's like more like the peaches with the cream.
That's right.
So therefore, let me give you my cell phone number, area code 615-573-4455. We like classic rock. Well, then again, if my customer prefer anything besides classic rock,
that's
you
right.
know, you want to listen to classical jazz or country, okay, we love them too.
I'd rather talk to the cab driver.
I just don't listen to ghetto rap, okay?
Yeah, you know what?
I'm Oreo cookie. I'm an Oreo cookie.
Okay, well,
I'm black on the outside, but I'm freaking white on the inside, okay?
Well,
and I'm proud to say it.
I'm like the reverse, kind of. I'm kind of like white on the outside, but I'm like black on the inside. Because I love Grand Funk. I love punk.
I love some of that.
I love James Brown.
Yeah, but
I love
good.
Kid Rock.
Everybody loves James Brown. Everybody loves Kid Rock. Black and white love Kid Rock, James Brown.
Sylvester Stallone. Sly Stone.
He's a good actor. Sylvester Stallone's a good actor.
No, Sly Stone.
Oh, yes, Sly Stone, yes.
Bootsy Collins is my hero. My next bass is going to be a star-shaped bass guitar, just like Bootsy Collins. I'm telling you, that's right. And I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee, and this is so far going from like the worst experience I've ever had in my life to being one of the best. Look at that! Oh my God, YouTube! Look at that! That is Nashville. Look at that, Nissan Stadium, baby.
Home of the Tennessee Titans.
Home of the Tennessee Titans. Look at that! Don't get no better than this. Anyway, man, if you need a great cab ride, you call my main man here, and he'll square you right away. Anyway, I'm going downtown. I'll be back out in a little bit. You want to stay on the plane, baby? Hoo-wah! Let me say hoo-wah.
Hoo-wah.
That's right. All right. Check you out later.